morning everyone. The topic of today's class is from the 5th module, which is wellness. But before we move on to the topic wellness, we need to know what health is. Okay, so health is the absence of disease in body and mind. Okay, earlier it was just absence of disease in body, and it has expanded to the definition of absence of disease in body and mind. But life is not just about absence of disease in body and mind. It is about physical, social, spiritual, emotional, intellectual, and environmental well-being. Okay, so for example, a person, he is very healthy, he goes for exercises daily, he follows a very strict diet, he is physically fit, but emotionally he is not well. He has depression, anxiety, and he has a negative attitude towards life. So his physical wellness is functioning well, but his emotional well-being is not functioning well. So we can say that he has not achieved wellness. Next, we move on to the meaning of wellness. So the meaning of wellness is overall balance of your physical, social, spiritual, emotional, intellectual, environmental, occupational well-being. This is the meaning of wellness. Next, we move on to the definition of wellness. So according to World Health Organization, wellness is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So infirmity means physical or mental weakness. Okay, next we move on to the dimensions of wellness. Okay, so there are 7 dimensions. Okay, the first one is physical, the second one is emotional, third one is intellectual, fourth one is spiritual, fifth one is social, sixth one is environment, and the last one is occupational. So we move on to each one in detail. The first is physical well-being. So physical well-being is about healthy eating and exercise. It is also the absence of bad habits like smoking, eating junk food, and it is also about having good sleep. Okay. The second one is emotional well-being. Emotional well-being is not just the absence of mental illness like depression or anxiety. It is about having a positive attitude towards life. Okay. The third one is intellectual. It means how you use your brain, like learning a new language, reading a new book, actually develops intellectual well-being. The fourth one is spiritual. The first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about spiritual is religion, but it is not a must that it should be related to religion. Okay, it is just as important as body and mind. It is how you connect with a higher power. The fifth one is social. It is how you maintain your social relationship, how you nurture friendship, family relation, and take time for social events. Now the sixth one is environmental. It is about maintaining a very clean environment. Now the last one is occupational. As the name suggests, it is related to your job. It is like, do you like your job? Are you satisfied with your job? Is there any tension? Is there any workload? So I'll explain the dimensions of wellness using an example. Just imagine a person called Manu. Okay, he's a bank manager. So he starts his day with exercise and then he has his breakfast. So there is physical well-being. Okay, before going for his job, he prays. So there is spiritual well-being. So he feels confident and positive that day. So emotional well-being is achieved. So he goes for a job that he actually likes. So there is occupational well-being. So he maintains a very nice rapport with his colleagues. So there is social well-being. So he returns from his job, he cleans his house. So there is environmental well-being, and after that he reads a book. So there is intellectual well-being. So these are some of the measures to achieve wellness. Sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day, eating breakfast every day, meditation, doing a job you love, maintaining healthy social relationship, exercising regularly, praying, reading books, maintaining a clean environment.
So this is just the summary of the topic. So the meaning of wellness. Wellness is a holistic integration of physical, mental and spiritual well-being fueling the body, engaging the mind, and nurturing the spirit. Second meaning, a lifestyle and a personalized approach to living life in a way that allows you to become the best kind of person that your potentials, circumstances, and fate will allow. Third meaning, wellness is the overall balance of your physical, social, spiritual, emotional, intellectual, environmental, and social well being. So, the definition is wellness as the active pursuit of activities, choices, and lifestyle that lead to a state of holistic health. The second definition is by World Health Organization. Wellness is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So, these are the dimensions of wellness. There are 7 of them. Physical well being, the first one. Emotional well being, the second one. Intellectual well being, the third one. Fourth one being spiritual wellness. Fifth one, social wellness. Sixth one, environmental wellness. Seventh one, occupational wellness.